Welcome!
I'm Joelle.
And I'm Joseph, and we're just a regular couple doing regular things.
So go ahead and hit the like button, leave us a comment if you like this style of video. Today, we have some special guests. Ooh. This weekend, actually, this whole weekend, we have had our first house guests in the middle of this here pandemic, so it's been interesting.
Introducing... It's just like a drum roll. That was good, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Anyway, introducing Charlie Parkin. And sorry, I came at you too hot. I was too hot. Sorry. Caleb Parkin. Okay. All right. We're about to go to a dog-friendly restaurant for the first time. I think Caleb's been to a dog-friendly restaurant like once or twice in his whole life. Yeah. How old is he? Six?
He's 6.
Whoa, he's so old.
Yeah.
So he's only been to a restaurant a handful of times. I don't think Sir Charles here has ever been to a restaurant, and they bark a lot, as you can see.
So hopefully it doesn't turn out too terribly. But that will be something that we figure out. If this is a good idea for the future, or if this is a one-time thing only.
If we have to leave it appetizers, so be it. So be it.
We'll stop at Wendy's instead.
I guess. But hopefully it works out. Yeah. So we've had them since Friday, and we've just been big chilling in here. Today's Sunday. It's our first day completely out in the world. We haven't been to a restaurant in months. Yeah. It's been a really long time, so we are about to go to this restaurant. We'll see how these dogs act. Okay.
Cross your fingers.
Cross our fingers, it goes well. We'll keep you updated.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Because ever since they got here, we kind of just have been cleaning up things like bit by bit, but not really all together. Not to mention it's starting to smell like dog in here because like I said, they've been here since Friday. So we got to clean some stuff up. They've been laying on everything and they shed a lot. Let me show you. Look at this. Whoa. Charlie was just laying on the ground. And this is what happened. This fur ball gets this everywhere. So there is dog hair absolutely everywhere. We've let some clothes kind of go astray. A blanket that he lays on is all over the place. Our recycling from, this isn't even the dog's fault, just our recycling from the past few days has kind of been a lot. Our coats are now overwhelming, our shoes overwhelming. We have to clean the linens and everything like that. It's all just a lot. Right, babe?
You got a sock.
Who did?
Charlie.
I'm going in to go get the sock before... Okay. And close this door because if Caleb finds out that Charlie has a sock, it's gonna be curtains for everybody. So let me try to get the sock. Ugh. You have a second sock? Puppy, what are you doing? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Charlie is way easier to get socks from than Caleb is. Caleb will literally start like snapping at you and trying to bite your fingers when you try to take stuff like socks from him, but you are not like that. You got caught now with it. Correct? Senor? You just want to get out. Goodbye. Oh, you want me to come too? Welcome. All of this stuff is going to be clean in 3, 2.
Here we go.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like be cautious. I be hanging out at Thames. I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram. I do it for Compton.
Alright guys, the dogs are... Ew, did I just get dog food on my forehead?
Bro, oh, you did.
Did I actually? Ew! Ew! Okay, anyway.
It's nasty.
This reaffirms my thought. So the dogs are eating and it's been a long day. So we're just gonna pack it in and we will pick this vlog back up tomorrow. Good night.